She slipped. Look at that view. Look at that view. Yo tribe, we're in Ocho Rios, Jamaica, and we're gonna treat you to an exclusive climb of Dunn's River Falls. Check it out, y'all. You're not gonna want to miss it. There are different ways you can get to Dunn's River Falls, but as you can see, we chose the boat ride. And honestly, I think that's the best way to do it. Yeah, nice, nice. Alright y'all, we finally made it. It took about 15 minutes from where we were to get here. And don't forget, once you come, you have to pay an entrance fee of about $25 US. Now, we decided to start the climb at the whirlpool entrance up at the top, so we took the stairs to get there. That was kind of just to bypass some of the initial traffic at the bottom. Alright, we're getting ready to start the climb. This is going to be an exclusive view, climbing the falls, and I hope you enjoy it, so just sit back and relax. I'm gonna watch first, see how people go. Try not to get the camera wet, y'all. All right, I climbed the top, y'all. It's like different areas of depth. It's deep down there, see it down there, but it's shallow right here. See? The goal is to not get the camera wet, y'all. Okay. You want to slide, you go right there. Gonna slide. Yeah, I'm recording her. It's a lot of work. I got you. It's a lot of work, y'all. It's not easy. If it looks easy, it's not easy. It's fun though. Lots of fun. Yeah. Now we have to do this next. That's the next challenge. Huh? Oh, tissue. And then If you look up ahead, that's where we gotta go. See that? Yeah. Okay. Ready? You about to take a video? Now, the best way to get up the rocks is to form a human chain. This is what the guides recommend. But for me, I kind of found it easier to just go at it on my own. I feel like I was getting pulled in one end and then pulled down from the other end. So for me, it was easier to just walk by myself. Going up, yo. What? Why? Like what? Let me go up first. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. I like this. I like this part a lot. I don't know. Don't fall down. Oh, she slipped. Alright, just hold my head. Hold my head. Hold my head. Oh. It was gonna fall down. Oh. She slipped. Alright, just hold my head. Hold my head. Just hold my head. Oh. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Yeah. There's a dip right here, so be careful. Slippery, right? You good. Okay, got it. Okay. I think good. Okay. Right. Woo!
Remember? The brown will take you down.
All right. It looked like that might have been the highest point. Yeah. What? All right, we're going up again. Let me go. Yeah, there you go. That's a good idea. There. You were right there. Okay. 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 Got it. Okay.
I don't regret doing it.
The face of terror.
I don't regret doing it, but will I ever do it?
I would.
I know. This is scary.
I'll do it faster next time. Is it fair to unknown?
Yeah, well maybe because, yeah, you're right. Now we understand it, so maybe it'll be okay, but oh my goodness. We still gotta get up this one now. But I suggest doing it.
Yeah. Highly recommend it. Very fun. It is?
Yeah.
They don't got no fish in here? Fish? All right, let me go first. Okay. All right. Yeah. Give me the other hand. No, the other hand. All right, here. Oh, yeah, my foot just slipped. Careful. Oh, yeah, it's slippery. We made it. The champ is here. Alright, we made it, y'all. Finally. Yeah. Look at that gorgeous view.
just finished the Dunn's River Falls. I'm out of breath because not even out of like strenuous activity out of breath, I'm out of breath from fear. I was terrified. The rocks are slippery.
Yes.
The brown, that's fine.
Okay.
What is it? The brown.
The brown will take you down. The brown will take you down.
Right. The brown will take you down, and so sometimes you can't see though. Like the water is so thick and you can't see, and you step there. I fell once.
You didn't really fall.
I caught myself. But
Yeah,
I fell.
you slipped. Yeah,
I slipped.
You didn't fall though. That lady fell.
One lady really fell.
She almost went down. She was on the hill.
Yes.
When she fell,
Caught herself,
she got lucky.
But yeah, y'all, I suggest doing it. I'm never doing it again.
I would do it.
I would never do this again.
I would.
No.
You did it once, you could do it twice.
I will not. I will not. It was too scary. My heart was racing too much. It was too many scary moments. I'm not a thrill seeker, guys. I'm not a thrill seeker. Bungee jumping, zip line, none of that. I don't like that kind of stuff. I like roller coasters, but not this kind of stuff.
All right, my good people, we gotta find some nourishment. Because we're hungry, so. That was fun. I liked it. I'm gonna go back again and do it faster.
And another reason I was panicking is because he had this camera.
Yes, that was the main goal.
Thinking the camera was gonna get.
That was the main goal.
It's not a waterproof camera.
Yeah, the main goal was to not fall, so I don't mess up the camera, and I did a good job.
The whole time I'm like, my footage.
Yeah. All right, we did it. Alright y'all, so as you can imagine, we worked up an appetite, and luckily at the top, when you finish the falls, they have a lot of food stations you can choose from. We found this grilled cheese spot that looked pretty good, and the food is actually delicious. Yeah, they have like gourmet grilled cheese, they have different types, as you can see on the menu there. So yeah, it was pretty tasty. But that's it for the tour of Dunn's River Falls. If you like what you see, go ahead and give us a share, subscribe, and like the video. And keep an eye out for our full Jamaica vlog where we show what we did on a day-to-day basis. Well, that's it for now. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching.